Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create an epic and add it to your team project on Jira and assign, for example, team members to it to work on it. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira and in the first step, guys, expand that list of projects here to the left by clicking into that arrow down icon to see a list of all of your ongoing projects. So let me go with this team project here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click into that plus create button at the top to assign and to create an epic. Now, in the first step, select the team project here. If you have already done that here in your left panel, guys, you will see the given team project here, but you can also navigate to another one by clicking into a drop-down menu. And after that, select epic as your work type here. On default, it should be on task, so make sure that you switch to epic here. And after that, customize your epic. For example, you may set a default status, which usually will be to do, but you may also switch to in progress or done or create a custom status and assign it. So let us keep to do as a default status. In the next step, guys, summarize your epic really quickly. Now, I'm not being too creative, so let me just name it epic summary 1, 2, 3. And that's basically it. After that, you may also describe your epic a little bit more using that text box here. You may also, for example, hyperlink or attach files if you like to your description, but you can also attach files like descriptions, PDFs, instructions here further down below under the attachment section. Simply clicking to browse here, locate the given instruction or PDF or file on your device and upload it to your epic. And yeah, simply customize, keep customizing your epic. You may assign, for example, team members to that epic. So let me assign myself to it. You may assign labels, a parent epic, set a due date by clicking into that calendar here. So let me go, for example, with September 16th, which would be exactly in 1 week. After that, set also a start date. So let us set the start date for tomorrow, September 10th. And that's basically it. You can assign a custom color. So let me go with blue. Attachments, we already talked about these. You may assign, it's mandatory, you can and you must assign a reporter here. Simply click into that field and assign a reporter. And that's basically it. You can also restrict that epic to specific roles like viewers, members, and so on and so forth. So let us skip all of this, guys. You can play around with these advanced settings anytime. And once you're content with your setup, click into create here in the bottom right corner, and that is going to create the epic and yeah, add it to your team project. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.